we have Ibu Jana, Kaumi, and Kak Eni. Hopefully more people will join us ya. But firstly, kenapa hanya saya yang wajahnya kelihatan? Please, if you don't mind, open your camera. Tadi Mas Yoga udah buka, kenapa tutup lagi? Yes, nah gitu Ibu. Oke.
Takut ya, Bu.
Diulang lagi Ibu, satu suro ini. Ada ciluk bantar begitu dibuka, wow gitu.
Sorry, my internet got having problem. Sorry.
I just don't want to look at my own face gitu loh, Ibu. Ya, if possible, please open your camera. Kak
Okay.
Roma, hai.
Hello, hi everyone. Sorry, I'm
Halo,
late.
Bang Roma.
It's okay,
Yeah.
you're not late. We're not starting yet. We're about to
Okay.
start now.
Oh, sound is
Mungkin
good.
Bang
Okay.
Roma habis manggung
Hello.
kali ya. Habis manggung
Ya,
ya Bang Roma.
ya tadi Rika maksa.
Ani juga menunggu.
Cukup nih.
Ani lagi flu.
Oh, Ani lagi
pakai
flu.
dong,
Adanya
flu.
Eni, Pak. Eni jadi Ani ya.
Iya. Ani.
Saya gak flu, bukan ani-ani ya. Aninya cukup
Iya.
satu, nggak dua ani-aninya.
Oke.
Kalau dua jadi beda makna.
Oh, jangan, satu aja. Just
Satu
Ani
aja.
ya, jangan di
Oke.
jangan di double.
Jangan dikabel.
Dan itu pakai apa ejaan Indonesia juga.
Ya, ejaan Indonesia aja. Yes, oke. Ibu Jana, why
Ya.
are you closing your camera again? Please open. Kak Roma, if possible, Bapak, please open also your camera.
I'm sorry to see very hard to
Oh,
because I know do just signal listen.
okay.
Bad
So you're
signal.
not
Okay.
at home
I
right
use
now,
phone.
ya, Pak?
Yes, I am in a remote area.
Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, no worries then. Okay. Okay, now we're going to start our lesson for tonight. We have the same, not the same, similar, yeah, migration again. Last week you had migration and climate change with Kak Vita, yeah. And tonight we'll be talking about migration and disability rights. Okay. So what are we going to do tonight? We're going to understand disability rights in migration, expanding your vocabulary about migration and disability rights, of course, and then practicing present continuous tense, and developing your speaking and writing skill for advocacy. Okay? Now let's start. Let's play a little games. Two truths and a lie. I need you to create two true statements, just one sentence, yeah, two sentences about your work as an activist and one false statement. Then let me guess which one is truth and which one is a lie. Give it to me. Give it to me. Two truths and a lie. As an activist, yeah, Bapak Ibu.
Yep.
As a teacher, let me give you some sample. As a teacher, I teach English for local Indonesian people, and I teach the second one. I teach Bahasa Indonesia for expats, and I teach animal language for my cats. So, can you guess which one is the lie?
The last one.
Language.
Yeah, the last one is a lie. Of course, I cannot speak cat language.
I guess.
Okay, just make like that, yeah? Two truths and a lie. Anyone can start. It doesn't have to be a novel, ya, Bapak Ibu. Do not write a short story, please. Just a statement.
Just okay. To be an activist is very easy in terms of popularity. One. And the second is to be an activist is a very prosperity in terms of economy.
Can I guess that's a lie?
Yes.
I'm sorry. Okay. All right. What's the other truth, Pak?
The truth is, I think, yeah, to be an activist is make you very tight, close relation with the community member.
Okay.
You have a lot of friends around Indonesia, around the world even. Mm.
Okay. Such a big networking space, ya, Pak?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, of course. Okay.
All right. Ibu Jana or Kak Umi or Kak Eni?
Wait, yeah.
Don't take too long, Ibu. Mas Yoga would like to join us?
Mas Yoga, yeah.
All right. Me,
Yeah, okay, Kak Eni, please.
quiz is fun because there are relations and networks. Being an activist is boring because it's tiring.
Boring and tiring. That's a lie, I guess. That's a lie. Ya kan?
Yes.
Because it's exciting, right?
Yep.
Exciting and challenging, ya, Kak?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay. Ibu Jana would like to share some statements?
Hmm, bentar. I am active in migrant child education and family migrant family. Kadang-kadang bosen sih.
Boring.
Okay, sometimes it's boring, ya.
Because circle-nya gitu-gitu aja.
Okay.
You need to change the cycle.
No, not changing, adding, Kak.
Yeah. Adding. Yeah,
Adding the
correct.
cycle.
Agar tidak
Yeah.
bosan, saya lebih larinya itu ke anak-anak.
Adding or maybe expanding, ya, Ibu. Expanding
Yep,
more,
yep.
yeah, to get more. Okay. All right. Thank you, Ibu Jana. Kak Umi?
I don't know how to lie.
I don't know. Okay. So honest, that's a lie. That's a lie.
Okay, some of this statement is lie. As a migrant domestic worker, I sometimes organize to have an activity with our fellow domestic worker, our other fellow domestic workers, and I sometimes teach them about something that I know, and I feel bored and unhappy.
You feel bored and unhappy. I guess that's a lie point, yeah.
Yes.
Mm.
I feel happy when I with them.
Yeah, of course. Yes, Ibu. When we are with the people in the same frequency, I guess everybody will feel happy, yeah.
Yeah.
As long as you are in the same frequency. Okay. Can anyone see the screen and hear my voice okay? Is everybody
Yes.
lagging?
Very clearly, like
Okay, very
Crystal.
clearly. Okay, because Kak Annie just suddenly disappeared. Okay, Bu Jana, is it clear, Ibu?
Okay.
Okay, all right. Okay, the next one. What do you think of when you hear disability rights in the context of migration? Anyone would like to share your opinion?
I think it is related relate to the person with a specific specific need and specific ability, right? Yes.
Specific needs and specific abilities, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Anyone else would like to share anything?
I think
Ryan?
it's
Yeah, for me, please.
significant challenges for disability, and they have a vulnerable phase because when they are migrating to other country or part of they will face the maybe discrimination,
Mhm.
limited access for them as well.
Mhm.
And then and maybe like stigma in the society that disability cannot do anything maybe.
Oh, okay. Limitation ya, kaum.
Yeah.
Okay. Kak Annie or Ibu Jana would like to say something about disability rights?
I think the migrant police is same as to bullying regulated or legal bullying by the rules because impact it is structured.
Legal bullying, Ibu.
Bullying secara legal lah.
Iya, legal bullying. Oh, okay.
Menurutku begitu.
Iya. Thank you for sharing, Ibu. Kak Annie?
Wait. Just now, just
Yeah, it's okay to
wait,
be
yeah.
off cam, Kak Annie. If your signal is not stable, it's okay. It's fine.
All right, wait.
Yeah. So we can hear you better.
Yeah. Maybe for sometimes I off the camera is okay. Now it's
Yeah.
okay.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. So what about disability rights?
About disability rights, yeah. Apa ya? Maybe the person with the disability is the focus and how to call that? Yeah. I have no idea.
It's okay. Yeah, but something with disability, sometimes we feel, no, I myself, yeah, I feel like
Yeah.
The opportunity for them to, having wider opportunity or wider space to do something is not as big as other people, yeah, especially in your, I don't know, in your community, maybe it is also limited, yeah. Yeah, limited ya, Pak, Bu.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
They have a like barrier.
You have what, Kaumi? Sorry.
The barrier, obstacle they have
Oh,
to
yeah.
face.
Yes.
Barrier
More
and
than the
obstacles.
normal people.
Yeah, yes, exactly. Okay. Now, as you see in your book, I'm just transferring it here. You see the picture. Yeah, let me make it bigger like this one. Sustainable Development Goals target. Yeah, this kind of picture with numbers and percentage. The highlights is on accessibility for persons with disabilities. So if you look at the picture, what do you see?
I see orange color and green.
Orange, blue, green.
Blue,
Okay.
green, wheelchair.
Wheelchair, okay. And what information is new? If you look at the notes there for each picture, yeah.
I see normal people and disability.
I see map. I see the building. I see the electronic, like computer,
Yes.
and the school building.
Okay. Is there any new information that you look at from this picture?
I think, yeah, much a large number of the people with disabilities still less accessibility to the development,
Okay.
like
And-
education,
Mm.
like yes, 55% not school with a wheelchair,
Yeah.
All right.
as well as
16,
internet access. Yeah.
Yeah, in website not accessible.
Non-access, cannot
Yeah,
access.
and 79% they have to face difficulties or cannot evacuate during a disaster.
Okay. And what actually the main problem being shown here?
The problem,
Yeah, I think the facility or tools or device when we should doing the
Evacuation.
like evacuating like road the
Oh.
people with paralyzed leg will need special special
Mm.
land, yeah, special
Yeah,
land,
special
not
lane.
like ordinary road like us.
Mhm.
When disaster coming, it is very difficult for them to run away.
Yeah.
to
No, run away,
evacuate.
but to save themselves, yeah.
Yeah, to save
To save
themselves.
themselves.
Yeah.
What else, Kaumi?
I think the picture is about the accessibility for person with disabilities.
Yes, that's what is written here, yeah.
Yeah.
Accessibility for person with disabilities. Okay. All right. As you look at also in the book, there are more questions to this picture. Familiar with SDGs, Bapak Ibu?
No.
Sustainable
Sustainable.
Development Goals, yeah. So in your opinion, which of the 3 sustainable development goals is the most difficult to achieve and why? Let me go back to the picture.
Yeah.
Which one is the most difficult to achieve? These
I,
are
I
all
think
the
is
targets.
I think is number how to call that is one number the column number 1, how to call that is
Oh.
they call for point A 11.2 11.7
Oh, this one,
the
yeah.
3.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, from these 3, which one is the most difficult to get? To
I
achieve?
think the most difficult to achieve is 11.2 provide accessible
I think
provide
the 3
accessible
point the 3 point
public
is important, I think.
public and green spaces.
Okay, Kaumi
Because it's
highlighting on the second point, yeah.
because it's require significant infrastructure change for public for the person with disability, and the infrastructure also need to maintain and it will be costly to maintain it.
Okay. To be maintained.
Yeah, to be
Maintained, yeah.
maintained.
Okay.
Because Indonesia is so wide, right? I mean, lebar. So
Yeah.
so it's a really cost if the accessible public and green space will build.
Will be built. Okay. Kaini,
Yep.
you highlight on the 3 of them, yeah.
Yep. Because why? Because the SDGs so that 4.A, 11.2, and 11.7 include education, safe and inclusive cities, and accessible and sustainable transport. Which of this is hardest to implement globally? Considering factor like funding, political will, existing income, and cultural norms, I think.
Okay,
Norma,
so it needs
norms.
okay, it needs a lot of things, yeah, a lot of factors
Yeah.
also, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Ibu Jana would like to say something, Ibu?
Maybe better regulation to make it easier for people with disabilities.
Better
From
regulation.
from cheap education and friendly and fair payment and easy place.
Okay, all right. Okay. Next question. Why is it important to make schools have wheelchair access?
Why?
Focus on inclusivity and equal opportunities. Wheelchair access ensures children with disabilities can attend school, participate fully,
I lost Kak Eni. Anyone would like to add?
Yeah, wheelchair access to school for this person with disability is
I think is focused on inclusivity and equal opportunities. In disabilities can attend school, participate fully, and receive the same education as their peers. Lack of access create barriers to education and social inclusion.
Okay, all right. You kinda lagging off ya Kak Eni, agak putus-putus, but it's okay. I
Ya,
can
anu
hear
nggak
that.
tahu
Yeah,
ini
it's
lagi ada apa sinyal. I'm so sorry.
lagi ada demo. Okay. I would like to
Yes.
ask Kak Umi then. I would like to ask Kak Umi for number 3, Kak Umi. What may happen if persons with disabilities cannot access government websites?
if person with a disability cannot access government website, they will excluded from essential services and information, like healthcare, or yeah, that's mean they can lead to the difficulty of accesses benefit healthcare information. Oh, my
Okay.
boss coming back home. I have to open the door. Wait,
Sorry, to open what?
my boss coming back home.
Oh, okay, all right.
Wait, ah.
Okay. Thank
Sorry.
you, Kak Umi. No, it's okay. Okay. Kak Roma, can you share us how can the government help improve person with disabilities evacuation process during a disaster? You were mentioning about it's very difficult for them to run away whenever there is a natural
Save
disaster or
themselves.
something. Yes, okay. Can you share your opinion?
Improve education. I think they should give a specific allocation for the evacuation plan in terms of the people with disabilities issue.
Okay.
And then I think provide or building the infrastructure
Okay.
in the vulnerable area.
Okay, all right. Okay. So more maybe also more funding ya, Pak.
Yeah, more
money.
funding,
More money.
more money.
Okay.
More money.
Of course. Okay. And everybody, what do you think? Which countries have the lowest percentage of accessibility standard or guidelines?
America, I think.
Oh, really?
Indonesia.
You're not going to mention our country, or because you love our country so much, Bapak?
Yes, I'm very patriotic and
Okay, I think everybody knows which country, yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Other than accessibility problems, what other challenges do you think people with disability can face when migrating?
The accessibility problem. What other challenge?
Other than accessibility problems, what other problems that these people can face when they are moving or migrating?
Maybe think beyond physical access. Challenges could include lack of accessible transportation,
Okay.
discrimination, language barriers, difficulty accessing healthcare, and cultural adjustment issues,
Oh,
or consider the specific needs and vulnerabilities. How to call that? How vulnerabilities? Yeah,
vulnerable. Yeah, vulnerable.
vulnerabilities
Just
of different
vulnerable.
disability groups.
I see. Okay, okay. Yeah.
Is it? No.
Okay. Ibu Jana would like to share something, Ibu. What can people with disability, what other accessibility problems faced by these
Aduh,
disability
hilang.
people?
Imitation of public service.
Oh, okay.
Poverty.
Poverty, yes, limitation of public service, poverty.
Hello?
Yes, Ibu. Go on, Ibu.
Poor, poverty.
Yeah, poverty. Yes. That's it?
Yes.
Okay, nasa Ibu. Okay, thank you very much for sharing. But for sure, in your circle, how many percent of disability of people with disability joining this apa sih activity or becoming the migrant activists?
I think 2% in my circle.
How many, Bapak?
2%.
2%. Okay,
Yes, 2%.
2%. They are limited because they don't have any access, or because
Yes, this is very complex aspect. The number of the people with disability around East Lombok is only 6% of total population, and then who have well educated education is more small.
smaller? Okay.
Yes. So and then I think about the mentality, they are not confident enough to join the our activity, like when you debate about the policy with the government. They are not confident enough. Then they feel not have ability to speak up.
I see, I see. So probably they chose other fields of job, ya, Pak.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Thank you very much for sharing, everyone. Now,
Maybe
yeah. Yes, Ibu. Yes, Ibu. Go on.
maybe 3% in my friend and circle, my family, my friend are neighbors next door who are a husband and wife with disabilities.
Oh, really? Husband and wife, all of them, yeah.
All of them. The husband is a sculptor or a pengukir.
Yeah, sculptor, yes.
And the wife is a dressmaker, penjahit.
I see, I see.
All disabilities, no, not foot, fat. Kaki apa itu?
Oh, no feet.
Tidak memiliki kaki.
Yeah,
Satu.
no feet. Okay.
Yang satunya ketika bayi demam tinggi yang akhirnya jadi lumpuh. Satu.
Okay.
But they survive.
They survive. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, if we talk about disabilities, actually we can see them everywhere, ya, Bapak Ibu.
Yeah.
But also the access, yeah, again about accessibility, the access given to them are related to public services, like Aumi said, public services or public places, yeah, they are not yet accommodated, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yes, Bapak Ibu, let's continue. So tonight we'll be talking about these words: equitable migration policies, excessive demand, medical issues, barriers, intellectual disability, medical inadmissibility, and then cost threshold, provision, and systemic discrimination. Anyway, what are they actually? Yeah, in here. I need you to match between the words with the definition, yeah. One of them is already done for us. Migration policies, it is regulation and guidelines made by a country to maintain the entry, stay, and rights of foreign individuals. I want to set you into breakout rooms, but ada but-nya. But because I cannot see Kak Umi, whether Kak Umi is alert or not. And then let's just discuss in here, ya Bapak Ibu. Diskusinya di sini aja
Okay.
ya, nggak usah breakout rooms ya. Nggak apa-apa ya Bapak Ibu.
Okay. No,
Yeah,
what
it's okay, right?
No, what
Yeah.
one?
No, what? Okay, please match these words, yeah, on the top with the definition here. Number 2 until number 10. Migration policies already cross out, ya, sudah dikerjakan. Okay,
Oh, and
please discuss. I will be silent.
no breakout room? No?
Enggak usah, Kak. Nanti hilang-hilangan.
Iya.
Nah,
Kayak aku
kita
ya.
juga kecil
Aku
ya.
yang suka hilang ya.
Bukan
Small
gitu.
group juga ini.
And then Kak Umi also, I don't know, ini Kak Umi lagi off mic dan nggak kelihatan. Takutnya sedang kemana-kemana. Nanti Kak Eni dengan Kak Umi, nggak taunya Kak Umi diem. Terus Kak Eni diem. Gitu kan. So, no use gitu. So,
Iya, jadi
menghindari krik-krik di dalam breakout rooms, let's just do it here ya.
alright.
Okay,
Okay, let's
please.
start.
Yeah, you can start. Please lead the conversation. Sorry, the discussion. Saya mute ya.
Okay. I think number 2 is barriers.
No, number 2 is excessive demand, isn't it?
Excessive demand.
Yep,
Accesses.
demand.
Oh,
Oke.
And number 3 is provision, isn't it?
provision.
Provision.
And number 4 is
Systemic
yes,
discrimination. I think.
systemic discrimination.
Number
And
5,
number
intellectual discountry.
disability, intellectual disability. Number
Ya
5.
Allah, baca.
Adaptive behavior.
Benar. 6,
Number
equitable.
6, yeah, exactly. Nomor
Ah.
7, medical inadmissibility.
Oh, medical
Being
issue.
denied.
Yeah, number
Number-
7 is medical
Number 7.
Medical
The
inadmissibility.
situation of individual
inadmissibility.
being denied or permanent residency due
Number-
to health-related
number 8.
reason.
Number 7?
Oh, medical
number 7.
issues.
Number 7
Oh,
is
yeah.
medical.
Number
8.
7, medical issues. Yeah.
Yes, number 8 is cost
Cost
threshold.
threshold.
Number 9,
The
medical issues.
process.
Medical issue. Number 10, barriers.
Yep.
Barriers.
Finish.
Various health-related condition.
Oh, that's good. Great job. Okay, what was
Mhm.
again number 2?
Number 2 is provision. Provision, sorry.
Cost-
Excessive demand.
Excessive demand.
Okay.
Yeah, excessive demand.
And which one is number 3?
Provision.
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 Okay, correct.
Number
What is number 4?
4,
Systemic
Systemic
discrimination.
Systemic discrimination. Very good. Next.
Intellectual
Intellectual disability.
intellectual disability.
Okay. Oh, everybody is so clever. Okay. Next.
number
Equitable.
Equitable.
Okay,
Equitable.
good. Yeah, perfect.
Equitable.
Next, equitable.
Equitable.
Medical inadmissibility.
Medical inadmissibility. Okay.
Susah kali.
Medical inadmissibility.
Admissibility. Okay.
And
And then number
medical
8,
Threshold.
inadmissibility.
Yes, kayak gue lah.
Yeah, inadmissibility.
Admissibility ya.
Yeah, correct, Bapak.
Inadmissibility.
Okay.
Inadmissibility.
miss
Number 8 is cost threshold.
Okay,
Cost-
number 8,
cost
cost threshold.
threshold.
Okay.
No, number 9, medical issues.
Number
Alright.
9, barriers.
Yeah.
Yes.
And the last is barriers. Okay. Okay. Which one do you find the most
Barriers, health,
emerging? The
one.
most emerging apa situation? Which one, Bapak Ibu? Yang paling sering muncul?
Diskriminasi sistem.
Uh-huh. Systemic systemic discrimination ya.
Masif
Iya,
dan
itu everywhere, anytime itu terjadi.
Everywhere, every time ya.
Iya.
Oke.
nggak usah jauh-jauh di tempatku pun tidak ada jangkauan untuk orang-orang penyandang disabilitas.
Oke. Even around Asia, Ibu.
Iya.
Nah,
Around Asia.
Mm-mm.
All right. Thank you for sharing, everyone. You already write down the answer to this one. Okay. I will clear all the drawings and move on. As you see on your book, page 46 and 47, you see text, yeah. So based on that text, please read very fast, yeah, skimming skill, very fast, and then try to complete this table.
Hmm.
Let me make it bigger a bit, yes. Like this, okay. Ih, nggak kelihatan ya Bapak Ibu? Kayaknya nggak apa-apa ya gini. Tambah. Nah, seperti ini. Like this, okay. Please discuss again to complete this table based on the text, page 46 and 47 on your book. We have number 1 already answered here, New Zealand. The rest, 2 until 10, please find out the answer in the book. You can discuss. I will stay mute again, yeah?
Oke.
2 years old. Selandia Baru kan? Oke, 3 years old. Autistic girl from the Philippines was not allowed to enter the country. Immigration policies reject. Halo? Hilang apa ya?
We can hear you clearly, Bu. It's okay. Probably
Okay,
the others, yeah, they need to read first. Yeah, that's fine, Ibu. That's fine.
Okay.
Wait, I have to read first. Where's the model? Where's the model?
Mana? Apa sih sampel?
Go on, everyone. Let's discuss. Ibu Jana already tried to answer number 2, yeah.
Number 2. Canada.
Okay, anyone else would like to share the idea about number 2 or other numbers, please?
I can try.
Yes, Ibu, please.
New Zealand. Twelve years. Langsung apa, Bu?
Yes, okay. That will be discussed with your friends first, or you will directly answer.
Ready?
Everyone? Kindly share your answer to each other.
12 years old autism girl from the Philippines.
Okay. Autistic girl ya, Bu. Okay, autistic girl.
Autistic girl from the Philippines.
Okay. Does anyone have any other answer or everybody agrees with that?
Agree.
Agree, yeah?
Yep.
Okay, autistic.
Autistic girl.
Okay, good. What about number 3?
People with disabilities.
People with disabilities. Okay, good, Ibu.
Living in the
Disabilities or illness, yeah, okay. Number 4.
or illness. She is living in the Philippines or
Yeah, the country, yes, Philippines.
her parents are living in New Zealand.
Yeah, Philippines. Next. Would like to share number 5? The name?
The name son autistic.
No. Number 5, Ibu. The name of the person in Canada in 2015. Here.
Namanya nggak ada, adanya son
Asmita Bura.
Yeah, Asmita Bura. Yes.
Yeah.
Asmita Bura. Yeah.
Written like that. Yeah. Asmita Bura. Okay. So the case, she's a physician from
South Africa.
good, South Africa. Okay. And then annual tuition fee for her autistic son costs how much?
$16,000.
16, yeah.
Yep. A year.
Okay, 16,000.
A year.
Okay. Next.
Next. Hindi sih nomor kita.
Change definition of social services and increased.
The regulation gradually.
No, Ibu.
Number 8 or number pira?
Number 8, sorry.
Number 8.
Yeah, number 8.
Number 8. Wait. Since definition of social service.
Service increased apa ya?
Social service and then the increase of what in 2018?
2000.
2018 is
Find 2018 and then the information around that number.
Oh,
increasing the cost threshold.
Yeah, cost threshold. Very good. Okay. Next, number. Oh, ini
Number
double 8 ya. Nomor 8-nya 2 kali. Di sini
Iya,
ada
number
8
9 ya.
juga. What year is this in Australia?
In
2020.
2021.
Yeah, 2021. Good. Another, okay. Another number 8 is 2021. Number 9,
Permanent
denied permanent residency due to loss of,
His hearing.
yeah, hearing. Good. And autism still denied, although his condition improved. Government thinks of him as a burden on what?
Wait.
He government still saw him as a burden one.
Ya, burden on. Itu tadi Ibu lanjutin.
Burden one or one on
On, burden on apa?
taxpayers.
Ya, taxpayers. Oke, taxpayer. Pembayar pajak ya. Jadi
Ya.
beban. Oke. Alright, so here you go. You have the answer in the chat ya, Bapak Ibu. That's the answer. I wrote it in the chat. Okay, thank you. Right, now if we have a look at the text there, yeah. So it's actually using this grammar form that is present continuous. What is present continuous? Present continuous is a tense to describe actions or situation that are happening at the present moment or around time of speaking. So what happened by the time we are speaking? It's like looking at a live show. Jadi kayak live show gitu ya Bapak Ibu. It's looking at a live show. What happened then when we are speaking, right? Like now, for example, I am speaking, you are listening, we are studying together. Yeah, I am sitting. Maybe you are also sitting now. Yeah, so these are present continuous. So the situation happening by the time we are speaking or at the moment. Okay, so based on that, we have this pattern ya, ada polanya Bapak Ibu. So here you have I am studying. So basically you're going to use this am, is, are, and then verb ing. As easy as that, yeah. Am, is, are, and then verb ing. So here, if the subject is she, he, or it, what are you going to use there? Is, am, or are?
Are.
She, he, it. What is the to be here?
Ing.
With this, Ibu Ariana
Is
ya, is dulu, baru di sininya
ing.
ya, verb ing. Okay, it's okay, Bu. Verb ing ya, verb ing. Okay. Now how about this? If the
You are.
subject is
You
are.
are.
okay, are, and then di sini sama ya.
Verb.
Yes, verb, and then
Ing.
using ending ing. Okay, good. Okay. Now here we have I am not learning. This is negative form, yeah, negative form. So I
Yeah.
am not learning. Ariana is not living. Her parents are not living. So in the negative form, I plus
I am
am
not.
yeah. Okay, am not. And then here,
Verb.
yeah,
Ing.
the same, of course. It's always verb ing. Okay. What about here?
Is.
She are
Is
not. Yeah,
He is not.
She's
yeah,
not.
it's not.
Ing.
Okay.
Yeah.
And here the same, yeah. Verb
Verb
ing. Okay. And then here, the same, yeah, are not, yes.
You are not.
And
Verb
of
ing.
course with another verb ing, okay. Nah, and then in the questions, you just change the position. M is R-nya duluan, baru subjek ya. Am I signing? Is she leaving? Are they leaving? Like that. So here you have to be-nya duluan ya, Bapak Ibu. Here am, yes, am I? And then here the same. This
Verb ing.
ing, okay. Here
Ish.
is, yeah, okay. And then another verb ing, and the last.
Ah,
Okay, R, yes, R, and then verb ing. Oh, gampang ah. Too easy ya. Aduh, salah nih Mas Yoga bikin materinya. Harusnya lebih susah. Tuh.
Ya, ada kalanya easy, ada kalanya hard biar tidak tegang.
Enak saya dapat yang gampang ya. Aduh, gampang nih. Oke.
Aduh.
Ya, so this is, yes.
Kalau saya mikir dulu,
Yeah, this is how to use.
berat-berat.
This is how to describe or how to apa ya, inform what is happening. Jadi biasanya kalau melihat apa tabel atau gambar, diagram ya, so you can tell a story based on picture using this. Pakai ini ya Bapak Ibu. Gitu. For example, tadi kan ada gambar ya. In this picture we can see there are some people sitting on a wheelchair misalnya gitu ya. They are having problem with accessibility gitu. So all of the data and fact you can also present using this gitu. Oke? Oke dong. Oke lah. Oke
Ini
ya.
buat
Ini kenapa pada pergi ya?
mikir.
Tinggal kita berdua.
Oh iya,
Tinggal kita
Enggak.
bertiga, Ibu.
Mbak Umi.
Kak Umi masih sibuk sama Papi. Yes, nggak apa-apa Ibu ya. Let's continue ya Ibu. So this is present continuous. Oke, saya pikir Kak Roma diam saja masih ada, nggak taunya sudah hilang. Oke, let's do this ya. The second exercise to put the.
Coming.
Iya, tiba-tiba hilang, tiba-tiba muncul Kak Eni nih.
I also coming because I'm busy. The puppy wake up already.
Aduh, ya udah. Digendong, coba Kak Umi digendong bisa kali.
Lagi dijaga sama emaknya.
Alright, please put the following words in the correct order. Saya langsung assign aja ya. Kak Eni number 1, Ibu Jana number 2, Kak Umi number 3. Nanti number 4 siapa yang bisa aja? Who can do number 4 please? Kak Eni 1, Ibu
Udah
Jana
tinggal number
2.
2. Number,
Ya,
number 1 udah tinggal 2 kan? Number 1 udah tinggal number 2.
siapa yang bilang number 1 udah? Ibu belum.
Hah? Belum ya?
Ih, orang
Aduh,
disuruh.
karena internet.
I assign you. You do number 1. Ibu Jana number 2, Kak Umi number 3, and then if you have finished, then anyone can do number 4 ya.
So I'm number 3.
Ya,
Okay.
Maksudnya ini kan digabung, maksudnya dibenerin ya kalimatnya ya?
ya, cuma rearrange aja Ibu, just rearrange ya.
Ya, ya, ya,
Disusun
ya.
ulang.
Wait,
Only
wait.
disusun ulang.
I'm done.
Yes, yes, Kaumi, please.
Number 3.
Mm-mm.
What are your ways of collaborating with government officials in job placement?
In your job. Can you repeat that again, Kaumi, please?
What are your ways of collaborating with government officials in job placement?
In your job.
No, yeah, in
Innya,
your job placement.
tapi ini ada 2 loh, Kaumi. There are 2 ins.
Oh, innya ada 2 ya.
Mm-mm.
In
Where
job.
are you going to put the other in?
In job collaboration. Oh ya, innya ada 2 ya.
Mm-mm.
Maybe like this. What are your ways of collaborating with government official in yournya 1 ya?
1.
Ya, in job placement.
In job placement. We don't have the word placement ya.
Aku bacanya dari mana ya?
Ya iya tuh, dapat placement dari mana, Kaumi? Saya dari tadi nyari
Salah
juga.
tulis.
Which one is placement? Kayaknya nggak ada deh.
Wait.
It's okay, Kaumi, you can think of it. Kak ini?
Mandan, sebentar. Currently, activist migrant working, working as it. Kok
Nah, loh.
ya saya ya?
Nah, loh. Okay, the clue is to put the question word in front. Coba question wordnya taruh di depan. What?
What ya? What are you?
Nah, what are you?
What are you working as a currently? Is it?
No, what are you currently
What
dulu, Bu?
are you
What are you?
working? Huh?
What are
What
you
are you
currently
currently working?
working
Currently
on?
working as
Working on
working on as a migrant activist.
Nah, yes. What are you currently working on as a migrant activist? Okay. Let me repeat again. What are you currently working on as a migrant activist? Okay. Ibu Jana,
Yep.
question words in front ya Ibu. How?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Aduh ya Allah. Serem banget Ibu
dosen.
nih. How?
How are you engaging
Iya, engaging Ibu.
migran empower local communities keneng with ya.
Ada with-nya di mana?
How are you engaging migran lokal to your communities? To
Empower-nya kemana Ibu?
oh iya hilang. Empower communities. To empower communities.
Iya, dibalik Ibu. To empower migrant.
To empower.
Iya. Local communities to empower migrants. Jadi, how are you?
Local communities
To
How to empower
Empower migrants.
migrants.
Mm-mm. Once again, Ibu, how are you?
How are you? Empower community.
No, engaging dulu. Engaging
Engaging.
with
How are you engaging
with
with
local
local communities
mm-mm,
with
to
to empower migrant.
nah, yes.
How are you engaging?
Engaging. Bacanya engaging.
Engaging. Berasa
Ya.
centil banget engaging.
Enggak.
Bibirnya sampai monyong engaging.
Engaging. How are you engaging with local communities to empower migrants?
Bang Roma hilang.
Iya,
Hmm?
kayaknya dipanggil
Lagi
Ani,
manggung
biarin
lagi.
aja.
Ada panggilan manggung.
Dipanggil Ani, Bu, biarin aja. Oke.
So difficult, Miss.
Enggak.
What
Kaumi.
are you
What are your
collaborating?
way in collaborating with government official in your job?
Nah,
Like
bagian
that.
terakhirnya udah benar, Kaumi. Collaborating with government official in your job, that's already correct. The front part. In what ways
Oh, in
are
what
you?
way?
In what
Oh, they are
ways are you?
so wrong in front.
Iya.
In what way?
Because you are keep saying what are your ways gitu terus ya.
Yeah.
Oke, makanya tadi nggak ketemu your job ya karena your-nya sudah
Ah, ah.
dipakai. Yes, oke.
So saya tulis salah yang tadi. Kenapa aku lihat ini dari mana ya?
Hah, Kaumi ngomong apa sih bahasa Melayu ya? Apa sih?
Enggak, tadi kan
Gremeng.
aku tulis karena ada job jadinya aku automatically tulis placement.
Oh, tuh. Creating your own sentence. Okay, so in what ways are you collaborating with government official in your job? Okay. The last, who can do the last? The first word is how. Tuh saya kasih tahu. The first word is how.
How
You
how are you using
Yeah,
The-
how are you using? Very good. And then
the social media
your social media.
and other media?
Sebelum itu, emang ada other? Kaum
Ada,
ini,
saya.
kaum ini nambah-nambahin.
I didn't read the question.
How are you using your social media and other social media and other and other media gitu. Ini mana sih nggak ada kayaknya.
How are you using the your social media to get share support?
To get support aja. To get support
To get support
and mana yang kata kerja lagi? To get support and sorry, kata kerja. Iya benar-benar. To get support and
share.
share, betul Ibu. Share. Apa yang di-share?
Share. The media.
Nangis. Nangis.
Voice.
Sosial media ya, yang di-share, sosial media.
Kan udah di depan tadi dipakai kayak ini.
Oh,
Sosial
udah ya?
media udah di depan.
Dengar.
The migrant. The migrants.
The bla 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 migran pokoknya. Ayo.
Voices migrants.
Nah, the voices of migrants.
Correct.
Voices. Ngeleh. Masya Allah.
Ya, ini beneran puzzle ya. Oke.
I'm
How
not
are
focusing.
you? How are you using your social media to get support and share the voice of migrants?
Migrant.
Voices of migrants ya.
Oh. How are you using your social media to get support and share the voice of migrants?
Good.
Tuh.
Iya, begitu.
Lagi. Ya,
Oke. Sip,
Bocil,
yaudah.
lari kemana?
Yang ini nggak pusing, yang ini nggak pusing kok. This one is
Oh.
not making you headache, okay? Just to put the words in brackets to continuous form.
Belajar
Yang
bahasa
di
Inggris.
dalam kurung dipindah aja jadi begini ya, ibu-ibu. Nggak ada bapaknya kan?
This is
Kan katanya Ani, jadinya nggak ada bapak. Papinya lucu banget. Namanya siapa tuh?
namanya saya lupa. Nia.
Itu
I'm not focusing
Ani,
because
namanya Ani.
I have to take care of this.
but it is not like a rat, you know, I see smaller.
Very small.
In my client's house, I get to apa namanya, a
Very
baby,
small.
no, doggy sit also, but smaller dog, smaller. Itu mah itu nggak small
Dia-
itu.
Ditutup kameranya. Dipijak-pijak skor ininya
Dia
laptop.
nggak mau kelihatan kamera, Kaumi udah lah.
Hilang.
Dia jalan-jalan di laptop.
Oh my God.
Silam.
Kami
Okay.
anak.
Ya, back to laptop please.
Iya.
Oke.
Kembali ke laptop.
So put the verb in the brackets
Aduh,
according
Nia.
to present continuous tense
Nggak mau
ya,
lagi di sana.
Bu. Jadi so please decide the to be's, tentukan dulu is MR-nya, baru nanti yang di dalam kurung ditambahkan ing.
Alright.
Oke.
Have minutes enggak? 2 minutes ya, 2 minutes.
Loh.
Iyalah, saya perhitungan udah jam segini.
Jam berapa emang?
Jam segini dimarahin Mas Yoga ntar. Ayo.
Ya, itu mau lekan. Kan malam satu
Iya
surat.
bener. Iya,
Oh.
tapi leleannya masa bahas present continuous, Bu. Lah,
Mas Yoga hilang, Mas Yoga hilang.
iya, udah dari tadi
Pokoknya kita
hilangnya.
hanya berempat aja di sini.
Iya, but this one is recorded kan. Nanti he will see the
Yep.
recording version kan. Tuh kan, ntar dimarahin loh.
Yes.
Ya, cepetan.
Okay, let's do it. Let's start. Number 2,
Mm-mm.
are receiving.
Are receiving, very good.
Number 3, is
It is.
helping. Helping.
It
Kayak ini, take turns ya, gantian ya. Number 3, Bu Jana.
Ya, ya.
Tadi
Alright.
udah. It's helping.
Apa Bu?
It is helping. It
Iya, is helping. Oke. Number 4 kita lupakan Kaumi. Back to Kak Eni. Number 4. Oh ada.
Number
Oh
4
ada.
is
Oh ada. Maaf, kirain nggak ada.
Sometimes I have to watch her. Sometimes
Itu
I watch
makanya.
to.
That's why.
I look in the computer.
It's okay,
okay,
Kaumi.
your turn, Kak Uki, your
Yeah,
turn.
please. If you can do number 4, Kaumi.
Number 4 ya. Number 4 disabilities. So are undergoing.
Yeah, are undergoing. Very good. Number 5, back to Kak Eni.
Facing.
Are facing. Oke, back to Bu Jana 6. Negatif, Bu.
negatif berarti apa?
Tambah
It's
not
not.
aja. Tambah not. Just put not.
Put.
Not.
Oke. The government put not.
Bukan
Gimana?
put not.
Is not. Is not.
Ya.
Is not implementing.
Not implementing.
Ya, is
not.
not implementing ya.
Is not implementing. Kayak gitu.
Iya. Jangan footnote-nya dimasukin, Ibu. Oke, Kak Umi, number 7.
These programs, so plural, are offering.
Yes, are offering. Okay. Yes, thank you. So this is present continuous tense. And now we come to our last activity, writing time. So you have to write about your current efforts as a migrant activist. Talk about the actions and initiatives you are undertaking to support and empower migrants. Focus on using the present continuous tense to describe the ongoing work, projects, campaigns, or collaboration that you are involved in. Jadi cerita ya ibu-ibu, kegiatannya sebagai migrant activist sekarang saat ini itu apa saja. Kemudian actionnya, inisiatifnya, apalah semua yang ibu lakukan itu ya, dideskripsikan atau diceritakan. You can start with these phrases. Boleh pakai ini untuk memulai. I am currently working on apa? Saya saat ini sedang mengerjakan sesuatu, bla 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 gitu ya. Atau we are organizing something something. Kita sedang mengerjakan bla bla bla. Atau our team is advocating for sekian sekian. Atau tim kami sedang membantu apa gitu ya. Lalu I am collaborating with bla bla bla. Saya bekerja sama dengan sekian sekian. Ya, you can use this. Boleh ini sebagai permulaan ya. This is as a starting phrases ya. Kalau misalnya, because normally when people are going to do something, mulainya gimana gitu ya. So I'm giving you some inspiration to start. This is how to start. Because we have 10 more minutes, karena waktunya tinggal 10 menit, I will give this as your homework ya. Sekali-kali saya kasih PR.
Oke.
Yang kemarin PR itu gimana?
Gimana, Kak Eni?
Yang waktu itu ada PR itu sama Kak Susi apa Kak siapa yo?
Kayaknya saya baru ini deh ngasih PR.
Oh, baru ya? Yang dulu kemarin dulu sih siapa yo Mbak Jana?
Miss Vita.
Oh,
Miss
kan?
Vita ya?
Heeh.
Oh, iya.
Iya.
Itu
soalnya
kapan?
saya
Berarti minggu depan
sebenarnya-
ya?
Enggak, seharusnya dibahas minggu kemarin, tapi kayaknya Miss Vita-nya lupa.
Happy dong.
Kan ininya 2 minggu yang lalu kalau nggak salah itu.
Happy dong.
Iya betul.
Iya.
Makanya saya menunggu dan menanti kok nggak ada nih dibahas PR-nya gitu. Apa di
Coba
share di link
tanyain
ya?
nanti.
Padahal udah
Bukan di
dikerjain
share di
deh.
link
Ibu.
bukan ya?
Okay.
We have to ask
Actually-
to Miss Vita next week.
Ya, nanti next week ya.
Alright.
Next. Actually, I don't like giving you homework, tapi ini terpaksa, alibi aja. Karena waktunya udah habis. Okay. Like this, ibu-ibu. So the homework is going to be sent. Silakan kirimkan jawaban PR-nya in our WhatsApp group ya.
Alright.
Oke, in our WhatsApp group. Up to you, ibu-ibu terserah mau kirim dalam bentuk in a file Word form, PDF ke, Docs ke, apapun ya, or ditulis aja di WhatsApp group juga nggak apa-apa. You just type it on the chat juga is okay. What I want to see is how you use present continuous. Yang mau saya nilai itu aja penggunaan present continuous-nya ya ibu-ibu. I'm not going to ask you ini real apa enggak. Kalau enggak real salah ya. No, not like that. But the ininya, the sentence ya, the grammar points. Okay, and try to do as the instruction. Kerjakan seperti instruksinya ya ibu-ibu.
Minimal
Alright.
how many
Okay.
sentences?
No minimum requirements as long as you are writing about your current efforts as migrant activists, as long as you are writing using present continuous, and then it is about your current efforts as a migrant activist. Dah itu aja. Only that ya.
Satu aja ya, Bu.
Kenapa Ibu?
Buat kalimatnya salah satu yang ada di
Oh, ini
sini.
starting phrasesnya boleh diambil satu. You can choose one. Atau kalau ceritanya panjang gitu kayak ya cerita cerpen misalnya, you can use all nggak apa-apa.
Oke, ya.
It's okay to use all or choose one. It's okay. Depending on your need ya, tergantung kebutuhan aja. Oke,
Harus
boleh
panjang ya,
di-screen.
Miss?
Kenapa Kak ini?
Harus panjang kalimatnya.
Enggak. Tapi lebih panjang lebih baik sih. The longer the
Oke,
better
memperjelas
sih. Ya,
gitu
the
ya.
longer the better ya. The longer the
Mm.
better. So I can see the consistency of how you use the tenses gitu.
Bukannya Mbak ini
Mungkin-
senang panjang?
Gimana?
Mbak ini suka yang panjang, kan?
Aduh,
Tergantung.
ini panjangnya konteksnya apa dulu ya? Panjang apa?
Ya, ceritanya.
Ah. Ibu
Aduh,
udah mau jam 10.
Di sini jam 11.
Oh iya tuh kan Kak Umi udah jam 11.
Bocilku sudah tidur, she's sleeping.
Oke. Ibu-ibu you can screenshot ya, boleh di foto atau di apa ini yang untuk starting phrasesnya karena sepertinya nggak ada di buku.
Iya, kadang beberapa pertemuan nggak ada di buku ya.
Ya, saya kan suka bikin yang nggak ada.
Jadi kadang kita kaget gitu. Kita udah baca yang ini kok yang keluar lain gitu kan.
belajar ya, sudah belajar, sudah menerjemahkan. Loh, kok lain?
Iya, jadi kayak pasang 4D gitu, udah pasang 456, ternyata yang keluar 789 gitu kan.
Emang iya? Emang iya?
Jadi belajar, Ding. Jadi belajar, punya
Iya,
tambahan.
jadi belajar. Betul.
Iyalah, kan kalau template bosen nanti.
Betul,
Namanya
betul,
juga
betul.
kita ikuti aja Mbak ini.
Mm-mm. Oke lah.
Sabar
Tes.
ya, lady, sabar. Please bear with me ya. Bersabarlah dengan saya.
Yep.
Tolong Bang Roma dikasih hukuman itu.
Iya, kalau
Keluar
offline
tanpa
nih,
pamit ya.
kalau
Keluar tanpa
offline.
pamit kan.
Mengghosting kita.
Oke. Yes, finish ya already.
Yes,
Okay,
thank you very much
you.
for today.
You did a great job tonight. Mau foto-foto nggak?
Sudah foto belum?
Oke. Belum. Foto dong.
Kaumi, foto katanya. Kaumi mana nih?
Ya, I'm
Bau
coming.
Gak
Nggak
bisa.
bisa. Lari sana, lari sini.
Kaumi bisa buka sebentar. 1 second. Yeay. Good. Yeay. Cuma gitu doang kayaknya, nggak ada yang lain.
I haven't shower, guys.
Oh my God. It's 11 p.m.
Too busy.
Nggak kelihatan kok di kamera, nggak kelihatan udah hadus apa.
Sebentar saya ini Pak stop recording dulu nih, buka-buka aib mulai nih.